In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add labels in Microsoft Planner. Getting organized and keeping track of tasks can sometimes feel overwhelming, but Microsoft Planner offers a simple and effective way to label your tasks, ensuring you can prioritize and manage your projects with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and search for Microsoft Planner. Whether you're using Chrome, Edge, or any other browser of your choice, simply type Microsoft Planner into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll find it as part of Microsoft's suite of online tools, especially if you're using Microsoft 365. Once you arrive on the Microsoft Planner homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a button that says Sign In. Click on that. If you're already a Microsoft 365 subscriber, there's a high chance you'll be automatically signed in as the service recognizes your account. However, if you're not yet signed in, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure you have those credentials handy to avoid any delays. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Microsoft Planner dashboard. Pay attention to the left side panel where you'll see an option labeled My Plans. Click this link to view the different plans you've previously set up. This is where all the magic happens, as it contains the details and tasks that you've organized. To proceed with labeling, select any task from the board that you would like to work with. By doing this, you'll open up a detailed pane of that particular task. This pane is essentially your control center for editing and adding information to the task, such as due dates, descriptions, and, of course, labels. Now, focus on locating the colored labels within the Task Details pane. These labels are typically found on the right side and are an essential feature in Microsoft Planner, serving as a visual cue to help you categorize and prioritize your tasks efficiently. Once you've found the colored labels, it's time to click on one. By doing so, you activate the label box, allowing you to customize it. Here is where you bring your personal touch into the mix. Type in a name for your label. It's advisable to choose a name that makes the category instantly recognizable, like urgent, follow-up, or in progress. Once you're satisfied with the label name, press the Enter key or Command on Mac devices to save it. This newly created label is now accessible for all future tasks within that specific plan, adding an extra layer of organization and clarity. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to harness the labeling features in Microsoft Planner to keep your tasks neat and prioritized. Thank you for watching, and now you can confidently streamline your workflow with these simple steps. Happy planning!